Hi, 3-2. Hopefully, we already had our live session this morning, and that means that you know today you are going to be creating a Flipgrid all about you. Now, that's exciting because that means you get to tell me all about you, and then I get to learn about each and every one of you in our class. What you notice here is the topic in the Flipgrid. So you should have clicked on the link that I sent, and it should bring you up to this page. If it doesn't, it might bring you to this page, the grid, and it says welcome to 3-2. And underneath that, there are two choices. So the one that we're going to be working on is this one. Who are you? And we're going to click on it. In the instructions, you'll see that there are some steps. The first step is to click the link. The next step is to think about what you're going to tell us. You might choose to tell us your age, your gender, if you're a boy or girl, or your favorite sport. Hopefully, you can think of a lot more to tell us, but I'm hoping you have at least 3 ideas. Once you think of those ideas, your next step is to make a video. So you're going to create a response. Okay, so you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click record. Okay, after you make your own video, then I'm going to ask you to watch 3 videos of your friends in 3-2 or classmates. One of them might be my video. So here's me, okay, and you can tell because it's a picture of me. We're going to click on it, and then you can watch my video by pressing play.
Hi, 3-2. I am so excited to start the new year.
And then what you're going to do is you're going to give me video feedback. So you're going to say hello to me. So you're going to click this button and make your own video, but just to say hello. You don't have to say anything. It might just be nice to meet you, or I'm excited to be in your class this year. That's it. You're going to make your own video. Then you're going to watch the video of 3 other people. And finally, you're going to make a video to say hello to them. Okay? I hope that was easy to understand. And I can't wait to see the videos that you create.